Hello and welcome to this presentation on microscopes. So this is a light microscope. As you can see, it's got all of these different things. And with light microscopes, you put the objective lens on the lowest magnification, and that's the way you start off if you want to use one of these. And then you have to place the slide with whatever you're looking at. You have to put that on the stage. And then you turn the focus until you can see the image clearly, and you use the coarse focus first, which is basically the focus which allows you to get the image visible. Then the fine focus is the focus that allows you to get in focus. And then if you wish to see it with a higher magnification, you just repeat it but change the magnification on the objective lens. And so the total magnification is just all the magnification multiplied together. Sometimes you stain cells because it makes it easier to see the cell, or sometimes some stains make it easier to see certain structures within the cell. And then the common stains are methylene blue, iodine, and crystal violet. And then there's electron microscopes, which, as you can see by the picture on the left, are a lot more bigger and complex, although some of them still work in the same theory as light microscopes, because there's two types, which is TEM and SEM, and TEM sends a beam of electrons through the sample, whereas SEM sends a beam of electrons along the surface of the sample, and then it produces a 3D image of just that surface. And electron microscopes have allowed scientists to see into subcellular structures. For example, it's well known that chlorophyll is in chloroplasts, and we found that out using electron microscopes because light microscopes were not powerful enough to see the chlorophyll. So which is better? It really depends on what you're using it for, because light microscopes are cheaper, they're easier to move, easier to use, you get the natural colour, specimens can be alive or dead, but the resolution is 2,000 times worse than an electron microscope. But that's expensive, heavy, it's just a lot harder. So if you want to see something in a lot of detail or something very small, electron microscope, but otherwise you should use a light microscope. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, that's the video, bye.